This is a quick video about a 3D printed toothbrush case. It is perfect for traveling. It has no clips but works with two magnets. I used 6mm by 3mm round magnets. It's very easy to open and easy to close. I will show how I did in Cura Slicer. It needs to pause printing, insert magnets and finish printing. First thing I slice, press preview. I need to find the last layer before the magnet hole closes. In my case 38. Then going to extensions, post-processing, modify G-code, add script, pause it high. And now we pause layer putting our 38. We want to do retraction, I'll do, let's say, 7. And we don't want head get cold, so I put my temperature 204. And in G-code, after pause, we're gonna write G4 as 90. It stands as 90 seconds. If you need longer, you can increase that number. Press close and slice again. After head goes to the corners and pauses, I'm taking a pillow of magnets and putting a bit of hot glue. Put in the hole and wait a bit. Now it's important to turn around and glue other side of the pillar. In other words, magnets are glued to different polarities. The filament does not want to stick above magnets, so I apply a bit of glue on the top and it works nicely for me.